go. It's a 2012 Mercedes cls63. He's doing the brake pads, and first thing I do is take out this bolt. It's a 13mm right here. Then I spray this with a lubricant right here. Get you a pin punch. You just gotta do the 3. One right there. 2 right there. The third one, just like that. Just pull that out right there. And push that down. Right there. And up here, that should be loose now. Pull that out. And I like take some pliers. And this right here is your brake pad wear indicator. You see that's broke right there, a little bent maybe. So that'll usually set the light off right there. If it's bent like that, maybe we'll try to straighten it out without breaking it.
That's probably why my lights that warning sign coming on.
Might have just bent. And you just take some pliers like that, pull them out, and then to get these out, what I usually do is I take the spreader and I put like one end up here on that right there. Then just do like that. Not grabbing the rotor, but the actual pad. And do like that. Now take it and flip it around. Again, grab that pad right there at the top. That should, right about there, give us enough room we can pull these out. And putting them in, they're double-sided, made exactly the same, so can't go wrong. Just slide it in. Then same thing, just kind of reverse the way you put it in. I like to start with that right there. You got to put this big one in first. Then this goes on top of that. So start with the top one. It's got to go inside that little loop right there. Okay, take a little tap right there at the top. Bottom. Just make sure they're lined up with the holes, and make sure it goes right inside this little pocket. Yeah. Oops. It's got to go on top right there. Okay. Just give it a little tap. Kind of find its way back in there. Then get your 13 back on, tighten that up, and your wheel speed sensor. Usually you're supposed to replace these every time. I'm gonna try to fix this maybe without breaking it. It's probably setting a light. But all you do is when you stick it in there, then you see this little groove right there, and it's gonna go. They're supposed to be right in there, just like that. See, this has got a slot. You just slide it in there like that. But that's how it's gonna go. I'll try to straighten it out before I put it in there. But that's it right there. That's how you do it. And just step on the brakes before you drive off until the brake pads get firm to press. So that's it right there.